Hey team, get ready because we are diving deep into the ultimate breakdown of Les Mills BODYCOMBAT 107. We are counting every single strike, punch, kick and slip to see exactly what makes this incredible release tick. If you're ready to unlock the science of your sweat, hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the scoreboard. Early word on the street is that 107 is a grower, not just a showstopper. The community sentiment is looking incredibly strong, sitting at a highly positive 68%, and it's no surprise why. The choreography flow across almost every single track is absolutely seamless, keeping your heart rate elevated while allowing you to focus on form. Plus, the Capoeira integration in track 6 delivers an exceptional deep leg burn, while track 8 brings that massive euphoric group fitness energy we all live for. Let's talk upper body. The hands are doing some serious heavy lifting in this release, making up over 65% of the entire class. Get ready to fire up your shoulders and core because we are throwing a staggering 1,266 jabs. Combine that with 581 crosses, 243 uppercuts, 136 hooks and 32 descending elbows. Your upper body is going to feel absolutely electric after this. Lower body training in 107 is built from the ground up to cultivate raw power. We are loading up and firing off 472 knee strikes to skyrocket that cardio. We're backing that up with 72 precise front kicks, 17 roundhouses, 32 back kicks and 34 side kicks to sculpt the glutes and hips. This is pure functional athletic conditioning. To make this a true martial arts experience, 107 challenges your defense and agility like never before. We are dodging and weaving with 142 defensive slips, sinking low into 60 fluid Capoeira Esquivas, and keeping the cardio engine running hot with 64 jacks and 16 explosive sprawls. It is the ultimate test of coordination and reactive core stability. BODYCOMBAT 107 drops a massive conditioning challenge. Throughout the release we have 142 lunges to fire up the legs, followed by a powerful mix of 62 squats and push-ups. Your core and glutes will burn with 61 hip bridges and hover lifts, plus 37 pulse crunches and pikes. To finish it off with perfect control, you've got 16 floor side kicks. It's a tough grind, but the rewards are massive. Let's crush it. When the final bell rings, you're looking at a grand total of 3,433 strikes packed into one phenomenal class. It is clean, it is intelligent, and it is beautifully explosive. Now I want to hear from you. Instructors, how are you coaching these massive numbers? Participants, which track had your heart rate hitting the red zone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Just remember team, the energy you put in today is the power you own tomorrow. Build the best version of yourself, one round at a time. Keep being you, catch you in the next one.